Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Zahir binti Muhammad Jamka. I'm a student under Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Engineering Technology. I'm studying Bachelor of Electronic Engineering Technology in Telecommunications, and my lovely supervisor named Dr. Ida Shafiza binti Maisir. From this video, I will show about introduction and problem statement, project objective, scope of project, methodology, initial result, and conclusion. For introduction, a latching control system is broadly applied in commercial, industrial, and residential space to manage both indoor and outdoor lighting. IoT is Internet of Things. It's a network of physical and digital device equipment and items that may be used to monitor and control a range of things in the environment, including building, which use the majority in many countries. The purpose is to build a effective and energy efficient lighting system by detecting the current lighting environment and altering the light appropriately. A lighting control system will be created to govern lighting switching in a building depending on the presence of human and the intensity of light. So the next slide is for problem statement is economy is now experiencing a severe energy crisis, while individuals have grown lack in their use of available energy, and sometimes people often forget to switch off lamp. For the project objective, the main aim of this project is to build a lighting control system target for energy efficiency. Specifically, the objectives are as follows. First, to develop an IoT-based lighting control system for energy efficient smart building using Arduino. And the second is to evaluate the performance of the developed system in terms of its reliability in real environment. And last objective is to evaluate the energy consumption in the building which the developed system. And the next, okay, scope of project consists of two parts, which is hardware and software. The hardware section uses a main component, which is Arduino Uno and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, PIR sensor, and LDR sensor. Scene of software using Arduino IDE and the Blink application. PIR sensor will detect some white entering at the same time, the LDR sensor will detect the light intensity. For example, if light intensity more than 70%, the light will off, while if the light will on. After that, if the person leave the room, PIR sensor detect no one in the room and the light will be off. The system can be controlled using Blink application. Okay, for the part methodology, when the people come in the room, the PIR sensor will detect present people, and if yes, the LDR detect light intensity more than 70%, and then if yes, light off, while the present people, if no, light off, and then if intensity more than 70%, no, the light will on. After that, the output will send data via Wi-Fi model to Blink application and stop. Okay, and then for the hardware part, the input is PIR sensor and LDR sensor, and the process is ESP8266 Wi-Fi module and Arduino Uno, and the output is LCD display. And the process will transfer to software is application Blink. That's all for methodology. Hi and Assalamualaikum. I will show the initial result for PDP1. Actually, for the result, totally not same with what I should do. So the component I use Arduino Uno, LED, logic toggle, motor servo, PIR sensor, resistor, and LDR sensor. Okay, and then we should construct the coding using Arduino IDE to put in the Arduino, and then we set the if PIR state height and LDR. If PIR sensor have present human and light intensity more than 100, the LED will on. After that, if PIR sensor have presence human and light intensity low than 100, the LED also on. And then if PIR not present human and light intensity more than 100, LED also on, and the else is off. And then we should verify the coding. When it have done, we should find the file in hex, and then we copy the file and put in Arduino. And then for the PIR, we should insert the PIR sensor .hex, and then we run. We can see when the light close with LDR sensor, the LED will on. And then when we press the logic toggle, the LED also run, and servo motor will rotate 180. That's all the initial from me. Thank you. Okay, for the last slide. In conclusion, the expected result of this project is when the main sensor part of this project can prove that the system will run successfully. Although the preliminary results are not same as the existing flowchart, but next step may be able to develop of the project entirely based on the flowchart. Finally, this technology has the potential to solve energy efficiency problem. There are many use for smart building and they have many advantages. One of them is they increase the efficiency of the building because PIR sensor and LDR sensor help optimize energy consumption. Thank you for the see my video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.